Quick one and sana yaba aye league ni so no. Asamoah on course football no. I think me yam papa in fact adia ema ye future in football. So the me am to many papa. Last 2 weeks ani ebetena ha. Ni aka ye youth football ni ye youth system. Kwanya ya faso a esi ye developing ye biemu ye nebetimi akoye ni ye bobo Asamoah Gyan ye bobo Muntari mo ye ha. But
Mike Oesian mo.
Efe no. Atia say esi on pese wo musesa eniema bato kakre bi na yehwe league in relegation so no the impact be na dey maye Asamoah Gyan ayi
me da se onim I'll see a ball F in
about 2 minutes
Matuase
okay
Matuase adomena ye mo F in abaso se ope nipa baako or ye huge ambassador because anytime ye ka the fastest goal I share World Cup so be ka Germany 2006 na Asamoah Gyan we sa ade no efri ho no na o ka say player we impacting hugely. And we local game, the Swasin or the Kwa Abontine, Ekoko ye Juma, ye Bonabaso, Asamoah Gyan. This almost go Dubai any other places. Almost Asamoah Gyan, Eddie bro. And Asamoah Gyan started from the basics. Okay, in days are liberty professionals. Into Asamoah, make a say season I had to folk. Of course, I unbeaten no more in league. Almost first game was against liberty professionals. Asamoah Gyan they say go no. And Sana has a break almost take a draw almost first game. So Asamoah Gyan any yan lake no.
Okay.
Apart from saying yes, I won't say your players no more there. Ya wonu abrochire. And we
know the Ghana system ni. Right from the grassroots.
Perfect. So and also the difficulties are a womb. And see ya the brand ambassador keke. Instead of say mo efe na ba so onim or appreciate it or sorry or appreciate the difficulties. Some players say do baby on one personally. Etini sika the boa certain players.
Yeah.
And ukra someone say oh baby a ombre. But all to the measure with the brand no. So you good and me sure say ben Caribbean boys no.
Joe, quick one na Mintio.
I think Asamoah Gyan nobody can dispute the fact say he has been very impactful for Ghana football.
Okay.
In fact, Omupamo Otoado no. I was one of the guys who mentioned on air say if Asamoah Gyan had done his badges.
Yeah.
The reason was because already he has been around the team. In fact, the Black Stars no. Baby Omekobia no Kamuhubi. He didn't have a designation say Abia saying and all year in the technical team and I say or yeah some liaison officer na bibisa but baby a Black Stars Omekobia no Kamuhubi. And to me, it told me that the FA have a certain trust and believe in him. Say baby Omekobia, if there's a national team going for an assignment and at least you have Asamoah Gyan in the team, number one, motivational factor. The team will perform because they have one of their own who has seen it all at all the levels. He has seen it all. He has been to the highs and the lows in Ghana football on the international stage. He has seen it all.
Okay.
Until when you have such a person as the face of the national teams for Ghana now, you can be guaranteed that the boys or the ladies or whichever team, they will perform at the highest level with some motivation. We are no free now. Look at the fact that when you want to sell the Ghana brand outside, you get that. But minimum interest for coach football. No?
Yeah.
The National Milo Under 13 Championships now Nancy Omuboye now. He has been an integral member of that Milo team. The leaders. And the fact that he's inspiring
that time Ghana said Nigeria 5-0 cry. Asamoah time no.
And the kind of motivational kitty ebenya from the fact say oh Asamoah Gyan kra ne ye bekasa ye o hye kran o kase ye money say any ye born say ye win ye. That kind of mentality when it is driven into the young ones, they generate that winning, that kind of winning persona. It becomes a part of them, and when they build that, I think it's going to really help. I think it's a long-term plan.
Okay.
And year, I think in the future we'll see the impact and we'll reap the benefits thereof.
Mami Nhyira was na me say local na say in the league minim say 2 matches pe.
Yeah.
Tina matches e bobo nyina 2 matches pe. Asante Roko and All Blacks and Nations and Kawela United. Me pato start from me na we are Jude abam na fi BL lines na dia ma
listeners. Table ni ya on. Nations is in the drop zone. Into almost 16 with 41 points. Now, Osha Young Apostles they are following closely almost 42 points. But Young Apostles, on the last day of the season, right? Omni summer text number. If you look at Young Apostles, my last 3 performances are barring the game against Adriana or Mulusu at Adriana in that game. No, they've won 2 of those 3 fixtures. So when you have Young Apostles knowing very well that they are at home and they need to win at Wenchi to give them the ability to stay in the league, Gabi, believe you me, they will do everything possible. Except that there are so many conversations going on. Say on the last day of the season, you can get surprises. It is Nations going to Karela. Obian himself Nudi Namadu team are building this season for Karela. A solid team. On the last day, they will not want to lose against Nations FC. How does Nations FC go to Tamale and go and surprise them? It's a very big question. I don't expect say Karela will drop the ball.
Okay.
So which means that Yanfan say Karela it's Mission Nations FC. It means that Nations FC will be relegated. Because if that game goes the way I'm saying it, and Young Apostles, it's Mission Samatex, it means Young Apostles will stay, and then Nations FC will go relegate, which will be a very, very big surprise. Because look at Nations FC. Look at how they have dropped. So surprising. And I am on for one mapa, but Gabi said they're making. Don't be surprised that it's nano. The way things will go would further help us to analyze the Ghana Premier League and state whether it is credible or not.
Okay.
Because I'm sure surprise biba na the Nations FC eko share Karela. Now when so result now nko people will start asking questions. Say, hey, Adena, young ade the whole season last day. And as a nyema edane it will be a very big surprise. So this is my expectation for China games no.
Okay, Jude Bafo. Remu Famami.
Sure, unim bro. Last week, okay, so last week, I say I did be the chairman.
Yeah.
Now, like no dear, Yamiadum, more than 20 to 30 years, ni ye delegate into the chairman be in him, and the Munko Mobi answer in him. Now, oh, ba, who's so woo ba. Sure, okay, so last week, now me catch them say Nations FC in careful. So back here, I'm extremely careful. Now, oh, I'm crying so I ever. Achediano, udia grab a fro. Na bro dia ma rahunye. Metra mo matches no ani so. Na me de mo agina ko. Why na ko relegation ni? Because bro, steady. For now, offer a team like Young Apostles are. Mama Young Apostles order 15th on the log. 42 points. Yeah. But Mama Young Apostles 45 points. Monsha no 45 no wenye wi. Obewini against Samatex, bro. Obese no.
Okay.
And how bra obese no. Why? Now, yen shabi bi. Pando Heart of Lions. Mama Lions 45 points. And
omunya mwintiri wanya na point dada.
Inti waje dada. Inti se onu nso afiri mu no.
Wa afiri mu no.
Good. Se no de aba ba enie. Baseke onka ho meboa. Vision FC me patch on the last game match check the vision neighbor.
Onu Diana neighbor vision so kra de.
Bro, vision be say Diana. Mo mfa 3 points ni Diana. Me so opese no. Mo mfa count vision so oko 45 points.
Onu kwampo de me inform mo crampo nka relegation threat no.
Obese ya akonta nti sisi no eye 2 teams. And also mo pre omuti. Tie 2 teams ni nie. De enti na ye nko soro no say soro de say mo ho.
Ya wie kra.
De ma de say wo de wo no party apesa o 21 asem ye obi asem wo na adwum. But ye, bro. Say wo hwe matches 2 a ehu pa na. Karela ni Nations. Na me di card in Krabia Nations. Joe, who's the last week minya call bia me aha. Na Nations on come na me.
All right.
And cram me dem mo ne say uwa kun bia mi wani na kokon kun amfo ne ntu obi aso. Na omo se de nsuo ye no tie o Karela se de nsuo ye sa na wi anso be ye. Uni de etre. Last season Uzanka Karela ko relegation. Yeah. At a point no mu hia points badly. Me nka fix match asemu. But no mu nim so Nations be say oh the idea. Say any motivation be an say there no because Nations on leg na wo pe and a wunya nje leg ne de ene. Un say dan ha won gidigidi. But okani sisi so say Karela. Ti Karela nso say de nsuo ye no. Ewia be sa. Ti so odu ani kwa koto Kotoko ne all blacks games so dia ene adwene wa wo de ho na esiusi e ona Nhyira Sports Complex esiusi Jo smart me common ase e nkrato na me dia me so me edu say adawro na me bo na me catch all the echo
say asem we dey me catch say na hobi me catch Jose any fat low say nations so mu ko bo mu bo e wo ho mu nko bo
wo di ani ko to
na san profan de me nyini da
wo di ani ko to obi so da bi otio Carolina want me predict no make sure say against All Blacks obi anim so the points in the All Blacks say sana no obi adwene no ba won fa bro make sure have leg no a true stage say to that be calculations bi e be work out him no obi anim say aduana any young apostles there na be si me ba me boa
yeah.
See, I'm on for chire mu bronche mpem na asefo nyina. One bonus said also obon ball. Bro, metro game ya ebe yo hu. Di ama mi suro di nations a mejiro mu hu emi ani. Aminia ya wa Asante region. So far anything back up no Asante Kotoko. Afena titi go force ayada ne dan na.
Asante go 0-4.
Abadi 2. Ya dan dan. Brush ade bi. Metuma adwuna si ade bi so. Abrankese na wo ho no. Me remfi say ni opapa bi ni e friend kwabna kese.
Kesben.
Obeye Kesben ba ye nyina ni je say sika ni abalege num. Na wasanso abaye we de Asante ye de mu meboa.
Yeah.
Edru ba bi frustrations of fam. Unim say na nka Kesben betimi agele. So kai. Besmakai dan mo period no. Edru ba bi frustrations of fam.
I want na man na adwulu kra.
Papa no dia won tie to team no. En no to e mo 6 pack and team ne pa ne wasaman no. Se mo kai a Mediama no. Mediama.
Wasama United.
Team ne pa no omo team ne pa na e wasaman. Ene ewura mo sisama paka etoy. Team Kesben. Ene esesa edin no be no Mediama. Russia ade bi. Yenya Dr. Kwame Cheyesana. Ama ono nso ne meye team yi. Stadium na esi o metimi aka as a matter of authority. Asante Kotoko Ntina sa stadium no. Papa the toy.
That was the idea first.
That was the idea. Yeah. Asante Kotoko Nti. Men chef kesi masma making. No reason I'm a deka. Any mpanyimfo e de kwotro mo say, "Ye person me say ye wura ni monyam." Me adwuna ba me de ba link game ni so, me ka me nsam wo wan hwa onti ase me de link game ni so. Me person me say me wura animonyam. Eya nu ntina. Inti time na nka Kotoko bebo ne matches o hia beka ye ba say Kotoko beko abrankes no. She that beautiful edifice isi ho. Say the ati asanteman anim. Any level. Ye nya blasters cry ma at a point. Omo cry ma me training e ho. Ama edru baby FA Cup. E man ne mema nyina ne ye ball. Inti ye ba be hwe such an edifice. Bro, ye be une ye de Kobo Division 1. Me nka so obi mbo fix match o me de me come in some analysis na me ye na me ya ba be si ade so. Bro, and then nations edru stage say Kotoko ne All Blacks ebo. Me wa say Kotoko ne All Blacks. We dey nko be say nations wa wunua. Anya krobia. Anya ntafo. Kotoko former board chairman. Asante Kotoko ye bibia wo yi sika twitwiri die obeye Kotoko board chairman o se me di ache ebe mu de Kotoko kokoto o kai se mu di ewra kokoto
yeah
ono ndi o se sika twitwiri die nyina o de ache obeye Kotoko board chairman nti hwe sa practice we nyina me nka se obi mbo fix match na so obi mbo yi na so say na wunu ya na ewu o bra oda D5 Kotoko ana Kotoko ne All Blacks e boda tena meboa wase sanema me menua me ani kan sisi so na sanema me na ase na wada Roma wo de Karela me amini de meye me ho consensus nations ne sabra kwese Kotoko nsam o mo adwuna ba so de nations sabra no in the way kwese Kotoko nsam because see se nations ese na All Blacks say access to nations e ko
obeko
o baby am de me nsam no afia ba be true nations sabra na nso anu an nsam se Kotoko nsam bra yetina krom ha papa bi ne afa no Alanjima Ghana Video City Kuma Pem Stars Alanjima ye papa Alanjima unim se wana Franka man kwa free buy
ono na owo Kotoko dwumu yi mu
Alanjima ye papa Alanjima ni team akọ relegation ya na emu nsem bebri bro me ka akire Krobia Asante Kotoko nations antutu ne niam yi no kre but so opportunity so obese All Blacks utie ase All Blacks na se nations ya ne niam yi no obetimi akofa ne 3 points awafa udi ye wafa mu de And then first match I said, man, I be an amico, but she say you was Sante region. Ne bedru baby Kotoko account one. Otu ani hwe benkum ni fa se Kotoko ama abra kumasia unya bo obi anhwe
bia nkoso
unse are hopa na san hwe ade a Nation Stadium ni ade no si etwa matches wo kra etian league na ni meboa
be me kwase ne se Kotoko betimi ase de
so much no
wo ka so obese me ka kire omo ene se Kotoko ka so obese sem producer mumie nja ni pabonesem ne yenka no kranche damfo Krabi otire si usi bi atie bi onso so blast me also me top pressure mom utie one so because an analyst na say we a bit emotional bro areho ye ntra he uko certain places o mo ye saa de no me kiro clubs na e wo ekronum no ye protect o mo meboa
mentwa no last week London mayor say obi o London bi amfa na support contact West Ham United echi na so mo ko relegation a o mbelu su 1.2 billion pounds
edu ba utie edu na te doma but na Ediana brekum Chelsea sika sem kra no do ma hene ne fade mo mo some ya
do ma ko ready
do ma hene ne fade mo mo edu baby man ti sa issue no me tro na minim se me de ma be kwakwa se ayi wo ho nkrofo ya mo esuru ho yi enyina se ho yi
ya kan say enya said say Carana na ho no wa free ho
dabi we mu na make omo ho enzima landi omo me de ma ko se omo a e de fa legi a me ka se o me de ma be kwakwa
me hu na din ni say escape Mrs. Baseke Holy Stars
na minim sa me de ma be kwakwa se no Baseke so me de ma se no enka no enha no utie at a point me de ma gi the first league title samukaya Western Regional Minister Eka Assembly or say South season no ya adwene say or say trophy no eba Western region na ne kasa no say na okakwa etire na utie kasa na okan ni ye na utie mu nsam a ubehu medie ma South season no obetimi a check results bi na wateni ma bi ase me kasa mi bube romba chotire mi chase enti e be say Nations in free league no bro
Jude,
want to turn in ma you
Jude,
bro Krobia nyamia no kwen ochina Kotoko ball onimbo bia no
the awoka no ma mimisa me college ne say omo no the same adwena ma me mfa course ni wie me ba na ma ba be yi LPMs ni ni na afro
na say ne na nkasa Nations am tutu ne ma ye no okodi asa no so bia ni
okay so ma me nye ni say wo fra me sra wo ba enye